second part of the video of how to grow turmeric into your home garden, into grow bag or the pot. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to sow turmeric, which we have already pre-sprouted couple of days back. With that, we'll also know a detail about how to select the right pot size or what are the distance we need to maintain to grow turmeric successfully. All that information I am going to discuss in detail into this video. So for all the information, please stay connected to the video till the end. If you haven't seen the first part of video where we have discussed about the starting of the turmeric seed, how to select the good seeds and the method of pre-sprouting the turmeric, then you can visit that in my channel couple of days back. But today we are going to discuss about the next step of the sowing. Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, we have put the seeds into for the pre-sprouting around 10 days back. Now it has been 10 days and this seed has just started the sprouting. I will show you that how the seeds are sprouted. So here I have opened this and you can see that the sprout on the tubers. Now I will show you from the close up. Here you can see these are the sprouts. From this sprout we will get the new plant of the turmeric. If you do this, our success rate in sowing and growing the plant is 100%. But now before sowing, first we will discuss the size requirement of the pot or the spacing. So last year we have tried to sow turmeric into these beds. These grow beds are only 6 to 8 inch in depth, and even with this small depth they are good to give us the good results. So this year also we are going to sow it into this. But for the good growing of the turmeric, you should select at least 8 to 9 inch of the depth of the pot, which will give you the best result. Now talking about the size or the area required. So one turmeric plant will require around 1 square feet of place, means 1 feet wide, 1 feet in length. And this area is good enough for the growth of the turmeric plant. Between the lines, we can keep some distance for the movement. Now, if we are going to grow it in like this grow bed, we can simply put into the 2 lines. This is 1.5 feet wide. So we will put 2 lines around 1 feet and we will maintain distance plant to plant around 8 inch. And that will ensure our around 1 square feet of the area per plant. But if you are growing into the grow bag like this, now this is the 1.25 feet grow bag. So in this type of grow bag, you can keep at least 2 tuber per grow bag, and this will grow in a good enough into this size of the bag. If you have a bigger size of the bag, like if you have 2 foot of the bag, 2 square feet or the 2 feet circle bag, then you can put 4 tuber per bag, and that will good enough for growing into that area. So this is about the seed rate or the distance we need to maintain. Now once we decide which type of growing system we are using and distance or the number of tuber we are decide, then we need to look for the sowing. Now before sowing, we can mix the soil with the well decomposted cow dung manure and with some amendment. Here we have already done this at the time of tomato, so we are not going to add anything into this as on now. You can see that this is already 1.5 inch down. So what we'll do after the germination, we'll top this up with the amended manure so that it will get the good fertilizer for the longer period. Now talking about the sowing, which is very simple. Now here we have a sprouted eye. Likewise we have everywhere the sprouted eye is there. So at the time of sowing, we just need to ensure that this sprouted eye should be remain on the top. So this will give a good boost to the plant for growing upward. Second thing about the depth. Now here you can see this is around, this thickness of the turmeric is around 1 inch, little less than 1 inch. So what we can do, we can dig a small hole around 1.5 to 2 inch, put this turmeric into this position and cover it with the same amount of the soil as the thickness of this tuber, and that is good enough for the turmeric. Turmeric normally grows on the bottom, so we need not to put it too deep. So when we sow the turmeric, we'll ensure two things. One is the depth. This depth is just equal to the diameter or the thickness of the tuber. And second, the sprouts we are keeping on the up. Now I'll show you the one demo, small demo. So we are just going to remove this soil. We are placing this tuber with all the shoots on the up and cover it with the soil around half to 1 inch. And this is completes our sowing work. Now we need to ensure only the watering, right time watering. Now this will establish within a 15-20 days or maximum into the month. After that, once the plant is little 8 to 10 inch long, we can put it the amended manure. Now first for 75 days, we need to keep it a vegetatively growing turmeric. For that, we can mention the good watering into this, though the plant will grow big enough. After 75 days, it will start developing the new tuber, and that time we need to amend this with the wood ash or some potash based fertilizer so that our tuber also get well into the size. So this is all about the sowing turmeric into this grow bags or the home garden. So friends, how do you like my way of growing turmeric into the home garden, into grow bag or the pots? Please write me back into the comment box. And if you are also planning this year for growing turmeric on your own, make some arrangement, prepare your beds or the bags and sow turmeric as early as possible so that you will get the good harvest into November, December this year for your consumption. Happy growing!